listeners, I am Kay and I have conducted this chit chat with the young and the old. For our first chit chat, which is with the young, we have Russ, a 15-year-old high school student who lives in Paluan Occidental, Mindoro. He is a former president of the Supreme Student Government during his elementary days, and he is the son of the former barangay captain in our community. Aware ka ba sa good citizenship values?
Hindi po, kasi hindi pa po namin napag-aaralan yung ganung topic.
After my cousin said that, I introduced to him the good citizenship values. So, ano meaning ng mga nabanggit kong good citizenship values para sa'yo?
Para sa akin po, ang good citizenship value ay dapat nasa isang karakteristik po ng tao yan upang magkaroon ng magandang pakikitungo sa kapwa at maging modelo para sa mga kabataan.
Paano mo mapapakita itong good citizenship values na to ngayong pandemic?
Halimbawa na lang po sa aming komunidad, sundin na lang po natin ang mga patakaran tulad ng social distancing, pagsusuot ng face mask, at manatili na lang po tayo sa loob ng ating mga tahanan. At huwag na rin po natin kalimutan ang manalig sa Diyos upang ilayo tayo sa anumang kapahamakan.
Sa tingin mo ba, mayroong mga taong pinapakita itong good citizenship values na to sa karaniwang sitwasyon natin ngayon pandemic?
Dahil po sa mahigpit na patakaran dito sa aming bayan, marami pong taong sumusunod sa ordinansa ng mga kapulisan.
The next chit-chat will be with the old. We have here Eric. He's a 21-year-old college student who resides in Batangas. He's one of the Philippine Institute of Industrial Engineering National Student Chapter Ambassadors in his school, University of Batangas. He was also a former vice president for academic affairs of the same organization in his school.